At 86 years young, my mom is as feisty as ever, but tomorrow is not promised. So I'm letting her know how much I love her, and I'm getting started right now. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. In this video, I'm participating in the My Tribute to Mom open collaboration hosted by Kimberly Davis at Diva Designing on a Dime. I really want to thank Kimberly for hosting this challenge. I have not always been the most expressive, and at times, like most mothers and daughters, which relationships can be very complex, our relationship has at times been somewhat contentious. But luckily, we've smoothed through all of that. And today, our relationship is all I would hope it to be. So Mom, I'd like to read this poem that I found that I feel like really describes our relationship. It's called Remember When, and it's by Kathy J. Parenteau. Life takes us through many changes like the seasons of each year. Some so unforgettable, we sometimes shed a tear. I remember when I was a little girl, it seems not long ago, my mother would shelter me in her arms, a feeling I thought I'd never outgrow. Maybe I really haven't, because hidden inside of me, there's still that need to hold her. We live our lives looking back on memories of the past, ones we often cherish, for times move along so fast. I remember my teenage years, rebellious as they were. Though I'd made many mistakes, I could always count on her. Oh, the times I hurt her with the hateful things I'd say. I hope she knows how sorry I am and how much I love her today. As children, we don't realize how words can break a heart, leave scars that can last a lifetime and can tear two lives apart. Though forgiveness isn't easy, we found it through the years. My mother and I are closer than ever. Our love has washed away the tears. So let me tell you that I love you, Mom, in this message that I send. Though time is ever changing, I'll always remember when. Now, I swore I was not going to get emotional, and here I am. So now, let's take a look at the vignette that I put together to honor you, Mom. It's filled with things that I know you will love. My tribute to Mom is simple, sweet, and sentimental. I realize how blessed I am to still have my mom with me. She's 86 years young, and she's just as feisty today as she was when she was 21. And there are some things that she really loves. She loves flowers, she loves birds, she loves pretty things like teapots and dishes and those kinds of things. So the tribute that I put together for her are those things that she enjoys most. You see in the middle a birdhouse that really serves as a little chest for jewelry. And then tulips and daffodils on either side of my little greenery that's in the center. And she always loved her spring tulips and spring daffodils. And her mother always had the most beautiful tulips and daffodils growing in the front yard, as did my mom. She's at a point in her life now where she can no longer do that. So I'll put together pots of flowers and take them over to her. But she loves tulips and she loves daffodils. And the picture in the front is one of she and I at a mother-daughter banquet. And we go to that now just about every year, and there's one coming up tomorrow. And I do have 4 other sisters, but at this particular event, the guy captured a picture of each of us with our mom individually. And I was so glad to get that photo of just she and I. And then the picture on the side, this little picture here, is one that I bought last year at a thrift store when I was hosting the Mother's Day brunch for her, and that was my inspirational piece. And then the little circular plaque to the right that says, "Moms are forever, and I am so glad you're mine." And Mom, I am so glad you're mine. I am so thankful and so appreciative for all the things you've taught me in life. How to be a wife, how to be a mother, a sister, and how to be a good daughter. So thank you so much for all the life lessons. And this is my tribute to you. I do believe in giving flowers while people can enjoy them. So this is for you. I got my notes in front of me because I knew I was going to get emotional. I just knew that I was, so sorry about that. But in closing, let me just once again thank Kimberly Davis at Diva Designing on a Dime for hosting this collaboration and giving me this opportunity to tell my mom just how much she means to me. I got the opportunity to say some things that I've been wanting to say, but like I said earlier, I'm not always the most expressive, and they might have been left unsaid. So thank you, Kimberly, for hosting this challenge. I'll link Kimberly's channel below so that you can check her out, and I'll also link the playlist so that you can see some of the other tributes that the other participants have created to honor their moms. Now my question for you is this: which part of this tribute did you enjoy the most? Tell me about it in the comment section below. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan wishing all of the mothers of the world, and my mom in particular, a happy Mother's Day. Here are your flowers while you can enjoy them.